Hello Voro Riders, today we will teach you how to use your new TFT on the RoadRunner Pro V2. As we have changed some of the button consoles, then this will be considered as a new TFT. As usual, to turn on, there will be an orange button below. Press and hold for 2 seconds. Your screen will turn on. As you can see, the green leaf means it's in single motor mode. To toggle to dual motor mode, press and hold on the M button here. A rocket will appear. You will be in dual motor mode. To change the gears, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Press plus or press minus. You will switch between. On the display, you'll be able to see the rear motor and the front motor. Same here, the top row will be rear controller, front controller. You'll be able to see the error codes if there's any faults on the scooters. Press M, you'll be able to change the view. You'll be able to see the trip meter, odometer, trip time, average speed, top speed. To reset the particular trip or statistics, press and hold plus and minus. You'll be able to reset. Next, turn signals will be left and right. Turn signals will now be displayed on the screen. To turn on the light, press and hold the light button, which is also the plus button. There will be a light indicator. To turn off, press and hold. Then for the horn, it's very simple. The horn button itself. For the P settings of the TFT, it will be the same as what the previous model is. Press M twice. You come to the brightness, system, where you can see MPH, KMH, power system, temperature protection, zero start, power indicator, voltage or percentage. Auto off, wheel size, advanced setting will still, the password will be still the same, 6969. Battery information, so there you go. Now you know how to use your RoadRunner Pro V2. When you get them, have fun, but stay safe.